Good morning. Today I'd like to show you how to make English breakfast. We will need bacon, 2 eggs, beans and tea. We will put bacon to the oven. Bacon was in the oven for 10 minutes with 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I will replace it to the plate, and in the same dish I will cook 2 eggs and will reheat beans. I will reheat butter and will make light toast. And here it is, English breakfast is ready. It includes beans, eggs, bacon, 2 toast and tea. Have a good appetite!